say baby don't cry, yeah, while I'm answering my dope line, yeah. Ooh, if they lock me up I'm so fine, yeah, I'll be back to you in no time, yeah. Ooh, Montclair on a Monday cause you're my chick. I introduce you, do some fly shit, yeah. Fell in love with a G, you're like my while I'm answering my dope line, yeah. Ooh, if they lock me up I'm so fine, yeah, I'll be back to you in no time, yeah. Ooh, Montclair on a Monday cause you're my chick. I introduce you, do some fly shit, yeah. Fell in love with a G, you're like my.
Today's video is going to be a hair review. Yeah. So this is LONGQI hair, and it is so long, like it is so long I can't even. This hair is Brazilian hair, straight in the inches, 22, in the inches 24, 26, 28 with a 18-inch frontal. So yeah, if you guys have seen my other videos or my other wig reviews, then you have probably seen my other review by LONGQI hair, and I really love the hair because it's just so soft and it's really long. Like they always send me long bundles, and the bundles are always true to length or even longer, so it's really good. So as you guys can see, I added 2 blonde streaks to the front to spice it up a bit because I don't like black hair, so I had to spice it up and jazz it up a bit. I really like this look, and you guys really like this look on my Snapchat. You guys are loving it, so I think I did a good job. So in regards to customer service, they are really good and reply very quick. So they sent me an email on the 24th of July, and I replied 24th of July, and they replied 25th. Then I replied 25th, and they replied 26th. So basically they just take a day, sometimes even less, to reply. So that's really good customer service. Like they keep in touch with the customers and like make sure the service they're giving out is like very, what's the word, very quick, so yeah. In regards to the frontal, LONGQI hair has one of my favorite frontals because like you don't really need to pluck it too tough, like only a little bit, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't pluck this wig like that much. So yeah, it came pre-plucked. Obviously I just did a little bit, like I tried to indent the middle part, but other than that it was very good. And also the frontal came with baby hairs, which I love because I can't cut baby hairs to save my life. Like it always just messes up, so I really like that. Also the hair took the bleach very well, and the hair like lifted very quick. So I only had the bleach in my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I washed it out and it became this colour, and I really liked it. In regards to shedding, the hair doesn't shed at all. Like this hair, I can actually vouch and say this hair doesn't shed at all. Like the hair does not shed, like one strand. But this is probably from where I cut the air pieces off, so it's probably coming off, but the hair does not shed at all, which I love. Also, tangling, the hair doesn't get tangled. Obviously if you're not looking after your wigs, then the hair's going to get tangled, but if you brush it through with like a wide tooth comb, then the hair's not going to get tangled at all, which I love. It's just so smooth, and the hair is so soft as well, and it's very healthy. There's hardly any grey hairs in the hair. Yeah, there's hardly any split ends. The hair just looks very healthy, like it came from a good source. I just really like this hair in general because like if you're gonna go for long bundles, then LONGQI hair is a place to go because they have such good quality long bundles. And usually with long bundles, because like obviously the length, the people that they get the hair from, like there's grey hairs and that in the hair, if you guys get what I'm saying. But in this hair there's like no grey hairs, it's all like healthy black hair, so that's really good. And it's a sign that the hair has come from a healthy head of hair. And yeah, so the hair is just really shiny, just looks very healthy, and I feel like this is like one of my favourite wigs. This is probably my favourite wig because I don't know, I just feel like it fits my head much more, because usually my wigs come out really, maybe it's just because I did the braids very good in this video, but I feel like I could wear this outside. I don't look like an alien, which is good. And I just really like the front parts because I've seen on Instagram like people are trying out this look, so I thought why not, you know, And yeah, like I really like it, and I hope you guys like it too. If you like the hair, make sure to check out the description box, because I'm gonna link the hair descriptions and all the company details and ta. If you guys want to know how I got this hairstyle and how I colored the front 2 parts, then I'm going to leave the tutorial down below in the description. Also follow me on Instagram, nothing like you, NOTHINKLIKEU, just the U. Yeah, and also I think I have a coupon code which will be down below, so yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair, then make sure you click down below, because I'm gonna plug you on this hair. So yeah.